Group pricing for 2023 is officially almost all gone. We have just a little bit of 2023 group pricing left. I wanted to let you know the best group pricings that I have right now on Celebrity for 2023. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Rob from Cruise Seekers, and today we are going to give you a video about the best group pricings that I have left for 2023. If you're not familiar with how group prices work, basically us travel agents, we reserve and hold a bunch of rooms with the cruise line to kind of get a contract of a price. Once we get at 120 days to sailing, anything that's not sold, the cruise line pulls back. So what that means, the only group prices that we will have left for 2023 very, very soon is December. So I decided to make a video of the best group pricings that I have on Celebrity Cruises for December of 2023. Well, it's I found 3 great ones for December, and I went a little bit into January 2024 because I wanted to get you a good deal on an Edge class ship. We're going to get into that right now. But before I do, I would just like to thank everybody who has become a member of the Cruise Seekers community. Thank you so much for subscribing. It's so appreciated. And if you haven't become a member of the Cruise Seekers crew and you love cruise deals and you love cruise content, think about subscribing. Turn that notification bell on. It is so appreciated by us, and we will thank you so much for doing it. We're getting really close to 10,000 subscribers. Help us get to that level and become one of the first 10,000 Cruise Seekers crew. And while you're down there, please hit that like button. It lets other people know that there's a great cruise deal out there if they're looking for a cruise in December of 2023. Now, with that out of the way, let's talk about the 4 ships and the 4 different itineraries that I found for December of 2023 and get into those ships and those itineraries. The first one is on the Summit. The Summit is an M-class Millennium class ship of Celebrity. It's a great ship. She's going to be doing a 5-night Western Caribbean out of Miami, going to Cozumel and Nassau, Bahamas. The next ship is the Silhouette. She's going to be doing a 4-night cruise going to the Bahamas, stopping at Nassau, Bahamas, as well as Bimini, and that's going to be a round trip out of Fort Lauderdale. The next trip we're going to talk about is on the Reflection. The Reflection is also leaving out of Fort Lauderdale, doing a 6-night cruise going to Bimini, going to Cozumel, as well as Grand Cayman. And finally, the Edge class ship, what we're talking about here is the Celebrity Apex. She is going to be doing a 7-night cruise out of Fort Lauderdale, going to Belize, Roatan, Cozumel, as well as Grand Cayman. Now, the dates are very important here. If we're close to the beginning of December, that means these dates are not going to be available for group pricings really, really soon. Now, if you see an early December date and this is an interesting itinerary and ship for you, definitely get in contact with us as soon as possible. The Summit is going to be doing a December 16th cruise for that 5-night Western Caribbean. Now, the Silhouette doing her 4-night Bahamas cruise is going to be leaving on December 18th, 2023. Now, the one that you're going to have to worry about if you want to get on is the Reflection. The Reflection 6-night Western Caribbean is leaving on December 3rd, 2023. And the Apex is leaving in January, so it's not as critical to get in contact with us as soon as possible. That one is leaving on January 6th, 2024. So now let's get into the pricing for all these 4 cruises. Just to start off with, all these prices are for 2 people. It's going to include the all-included perks package, which is your tips, your basic Wi-Fi, and your classic drink package included. It's also going to include your port fees, your taxes, and expenses. So it's pretty much an all-included soup to nuts price. The other thing you're going to need to know is these prices are as of today. These prices can change as overlays change. Celebrity's been pretty, chaotic with the overlays recently. It used to be that they were more stable with their overlays, but just this month they've been kind of changing back and forth different overlays. So just so you know, the prices are as of today based upon today's overlay of a $200 savings for verandas and above. So we're going to first start off with the Celebrity Summit. Now, forgive me if I'm not looking straight at the camera as I get these prices. I want to make sure I read them 100% accurately for you and exactly what the savings are for you. So forgive me if I'm not looking straight at the camera. For the Celebrity Summit, we are talking about a prime veranda, and for that prime veranda, it is $1,804.22, and you're going to get a $50 onboard credit with that price. And this is a 5-night cruise leaving out of Miami. This is basically a $600 savings versus the current Celebrity website pricing. Now, the next deal we're going to talk about is on the Celebrity Silhouette. That's going to do the 4-night Bahamas cruise out of Fort Lauderdale. And this is for an Aqua Class cabin. An Aqua Class cabin gets you access to Blue, as well as all the other perks that we talked about. The 2 people going with the all-included package. That's your tips, your Wi-Fi, your classic drink package included. The price for an Aqua Class room for those 4 nights is $1,656.82. That's a savings of almost $1,200 on that cruise. You're also going to get $50 onboard credit to spend on the ship how you see fit. The next cruise we're going to talk about is the Celebrity Reflection. The Celebrity Reflection is leaving out of Fort Lauderdale doing a 6-night Western Caribbean cruise, and the price for this is in a concierge class veranda. The price we have on that one is $2,371.54. You also get a $50 onboard credit with that too. This is a savings of over $800 versus the Celebrity website for the same exact room for the same exact date. And finally, for that Celebrity Apex cruise doing the 7-night Western Caribbean out of Fort Lauderdale, we have a porthole view with veranda for you, a prime one, not on the 6th floor. The price for that one is $2,855.14. And you also get a $50 onboard credit with that as well. This is a savings of over $1,200 versus the Celebrity website for the same exact cruise, for the same exact room, for the same exact perk package. So if any of these cruises are interesting to you, please get in contact with us by calling the phone number right there. We will answer that phone. Extension 1 brings you to me. Extension 2 brings you to my wife, Cheryl. If you don't want to give us a call, you can just click the link below in the description. That's a travel survey. Please fill out the survey and we will get the information from there. Make sure you let us know exactly which cruise is interesting to you, and we will get in contact with you once we receive your survey. And if you don't want to click the link below, you're watching this on your couch in your living room, you can always just scan this QR code right there. That will bring you to the same form. Fill out that form. Make sure you let us know exactly which itinerary is the one that you kind of want to get pricing for and book for us, and we will get back to you right away. So there you go, folks. That is our video of our final group pricings that we have for 2023. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hey, give it a big thumbs up. It really does help the YouTube algorithm. It does help other people find these cruise deals. If you have not become a member of the Cruise Seekers crew already and you want to be part of that first 10,000 subscriber base, think about subscribing. Turn that notification bell on. It is so appreciated by us. Thank you so much for doing that. If you have any questions about these cruises, leave them down below. We love comments. We love engaging with you folks. We always answer to all our comments. So until we talk again next time, this is Rob from Cruise Seekers reminding each and every one of you to always seek the seas. Bye now.